Hello everyone and welcome to our new webinar. My name is Theo and today I want to show you next extension for SketchUp. This is a very exciting extension. Shape Bender. What is Shape Bender? First, I wanna told you about us. We are AECO Space. We are official SketchUp distributor for Eastern Europe. Also, we are a VRA training center, and we are place for 3D artists and future 3D artists. What is Shape Bender? Shape Bender is extension for SketchUp, and when we check in extension warehouse, this is the free extension, Shape Bender. This is the Shape Bender. I have installation here on my computer on this extension, and also if you want to make around curves like this one, you can use Shape Bender. I want to show you exactly how to make this bend to our object. First, let me see this scene. Here we have a simple house terrace. If we wanna create a shape, bent shape from this form, first I'm modeling this form, and I take the spline, I take a copy to this spline here, and put it on the ground. If we want to make a bend to this object have to be a component. Create the component, and first one, when we select this shape, we have to understand what is his size, arc weight. We create the simple line from one direction with same weight. We put our object to end point here, and now we select our components and click the Shape Bender. First one, we have to select our trajectory, but also our model have to be on the red axis. I take this model and just rotate on the red axis, because Shape Bender work only on this direction. Now I select my component, press the Shape Bender, and after that select my line here with same weight like this shape. I press here and start to end, and I choose my bending and press here. And now we're waiting our calculation. We see here in the processing line and create the curve segments. When we create this shape, we have a preview like this one, and we have to accept our command with enter and press the keyboard on press the button on your keyboard, and now we're waiting final calculating. Okay, it's heavy model. We can create bending for any object. If we have a simple box, simple cylinder, we can create shape. If we have to modeling this one with curves, maybe this is a lot of time, and this is the simple, easiest way to create the shape. Shape Bender is one of the first most exciting extension for SketchUp. It's a very old extension, but it's very useful. Okay, the calculating is a heavy process for this geometry, and we have to wait a little bit. But believe me, this is the easiest way to bend some object. Okay, now it's ready. Perfect. I have a beautiful shape. Let's isolate this one and take a look. It's very beautiful. Okay. Now we can take our object and copy to the right places. Beautiful. Now I can make a lot of copies by this terrace, and let we try with another simple object. When I have a simple geometry like this one, first I select everything and create components. I give a name for these components, box. Okay, and now I take the arc tool and I take the 2-point arc tool, and first one I see I have to change this sides, because if I put 12 segments, my bending will be not very beautiful. I want to show you. I select this plan and I see, wait, Okay, I create line with this size. I take my object and click the shape bender. But first select the component, shape bender, select the line. This is the line on the red axis only, and after that select the spline. Do you see these little pieces here? This shape is not very beautiful. I change my arc with a lot of segments, maybe 15. Okay, now I create the shape. And I will use the same way. Select the components, press button, press the axis line, and accept with enter. Okay, now my shape looks very beautiful. If I have objects with different direction, maybe in a green axis, I can't use shape bender. When I select my components and press the shape bender tell me, please select the line that is drawn on the right axis. If you have any problem, first check this one. Rotate your object only on red direction, on the red axis. Okay, now let us see different geometry. This is the decoration, and I want to use this decoration to create a round form to this table. I'll create the bending like this form, and to decorate my table. First one, I have object, component object. I have line, axis, and shape to bending. Do you see this line? This line is not single piece, it's not circle. I broke this line because if we want to use shape bender, we have to create not a close spline. Okay, select my component on the red axis, press the shape bender, press here, and now we have information: start point and end point. When I have this information, I press here on my shape. And now we're waiting to calculate our segments. This is the very easiest way to create decoration like this one. Yes, this is one. This is a heavy geometry, but the result can be grateful. And now just we draw shape. We have components and put the line. It's with same weight like our shape, and put the object and make a curve. Okay, we have a preview. Oh, this is a heavy geometry. Yes, I know that, but it's a very beautiful model. It's very beautiful wood carving pieces for this table. Okay, I accept with enter on my keyboard. And now I'm waiting, finalizing bending. Do you wanna imagine if we have to modeling this one without shape bender? Maybe we can modeling this one 2 or 3 hours, and now we have a lot simple. We have a simple way to create this shape, only with shape bending. If you have a simple geometry, maybe you will wait a little bit. Okay, come on, shape bender, do it. I want to see this beautiful geometry. Okay, yeah, if we press on the our SketchUp, we can block our files because we give to SketchUp a lot of commands, and when we use extension like this, we have to work a little bit slowly. Okay, now my shape is ready. Look this one. It's perfect. Okay, let's take this beautiful shape and put to our table. I'll go to top viewport and parallel projection, and I will use the X-ray mode to put my shape properly. On this beautiful table. Now change my view here to put it down a little bit. Okay, it's almost ready. Beautiful. And I want to show you from where I take this beautiful wood carving. I just take from my house. Let's change the perspective. I take this beautiful motif from here, and I make a lot of copies and rotating, and I create my weight and my shape, and from this simple object I create this beautiful wood carving table, only with shape bender. Also, we can have a hole in our geometry. Let's draw another box and create holes, different holes. And again, select everything and make components. We draw our arc 2 with shape. We draw a line. We draw our line out of our component object. The weight is okay. I have to make a line with this weight. Okay, and again I select my object, press the shape bender to select my regular line and choose the shape. Press. Okay, now I press enter and I'm ready. With simple geometry, we have a quick result. This is the shape bender tool. If you like our webinars, you can find us in YouTube channel, and if you like us, press the button subscribe, and also you can find us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. Also, we have a training program, and we have a new website. You can visit creativeindustries.academy. And thank you again for your joining to our new webinar. And if you want to understand more, if you have any questions, please use my email. My name is Theo. And for any sales questions, you can ask my colleague. And thank you for today's webinar. We'll see you next time.